Hello guys, I'm back after a long time and today I'm going to show you guys a wallet which I bought from Amazon. It's called Contacts wallet. It's a leather wallet. So I thought why not restart my channel and videos by doing an unboxing of this. So I'm going to be consistently going to put videos going forward. So I'm sorry for not being active on this YouTube for a very long time. Anyways, let's start with this unboxing. I'll also put a link for the wallet in the description in case you're interested to purchase. So this is how I got the box. It's a very nice little packing. So I just opened the tape and here it shows they are selling on Amazon, Paytm Mall, Flipkart, eBay, Ajio. And here if you see the price says 2499, but you will get it for about 750 bucks. And here it says handcrafted leather, 100% leather. Okay, so this is how the box looks like, and this is what they have written: high quality handmade leather goods, excellent contacts, established 1997. Brand name is Contacts. So when you open it, you get a nice little pouch for your wallet. Let's keep the box aside. And so this is a normal standard pouch. When you open it, so here also you have the branding of Contacts, and this is an RFID protecting wallet. So let's remove it from the pouch. Let's keep this aside, and you get some moisture absorber gel silica, and it's packed in a paper like this. Let's just remove this. And this is the wallet. So this is the chocolate brown color. So you have many different colors. You have brown, beige, tan. So I prefer dark color, so I bought the chocolate brown. And you have two zippers here. So basically this is your this is for your coin pockets, I believe. So you can store your change coins in this. The quality of the zip is pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. And when you open it, so you have a button here which locks your wallet, and this is how it looks from the inside. Let's just remove all this. So this is how it looks, and it's very nice, nice leather, nice to touch, soft, but definitely leather. Feels like your woodland shoes. Okay. So you have here one button, and you have probably you can put some cards or some bills, some slips here. And like I said, this is a coin pocket on both the sides. And here you have one compartment to keep your I hope you're able to see, you keep your notes. And inside is not leather, inside is just synthetic clothing. The inside material is not leather. And you have a zipper here to probably store some more notes. And again, it is just synthetic. It's pretty deep. You can see it's pretty deep. So you can probably store the new Indian rupee notes here and the old ones which are quite big in the back side. And here you have a couple of card slots. So I'll just tell you how many card slots we have. You have one here, 2 and 3, 4, 5 for your ID card, 6, 7. So that's 7 slots inside, and you have 1 slot outside. So in the website it says they have 9 slots. It's a 9 card slot wallet, but there are only 8 as far as I can see. Let's just see if any hidden card slots are available inside the coin pockets. So there are no slots here, nothing here. Let me just switch on the torch so that you guys can see the inside of this a little better. Okay, so I've just switched on the torch in my camera, and this is how it is inside here. So this is synthetic, and this is how it looks here. And down here, it's all brown in color, probably because of the torch. Probably it's looking slightly yellowish, but it's all the same color as the wallet. Okay, so now that we have seen this wallet, and it also says here contacts product RFID protection, so they have embossed their logo here, and also you can see similar branding here, contacts leather collections established 1997. Apart from that, there are no brandings anywhere. So I cannot demonstrate the RFID protection because I don't have anything at my home which can read my credit cards or debit cards RFID information. But I will definitely move all my cards, coins, cash to this wallet from my old wallet, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so I've just removed all the things from my previous wallet, and I've already put my cards, because in case I put it on the video, then my card numbers will be visible. So I have one card here, another card here too, and this is my third card, and here's my fourth card. So these are all my credit cards on one side, and here I have a debit card, one more, so 4 plus 1 5, and 6, another debit card, and this is my driving license, which I can store it here so that it's clearly visible in case somebody wants to see. It's not very clearly visible. You still need to probably get it out or put it like this in case you want to see your license number or something. And I had another spare card, so this is kind of broken, but I'll stick it later, and I've just kept it here because I don't want this card to mess around with my financial cards. And now let's put the money here. So all these 100 rupees, the old 100 rupees, the new 500 notes easily fit in the back side of the wallet, so there is no bending. It's like exact fit. There is still little gap. You can see the money can move around, but it fits easily, so no problem with 50, 100 or the old notes which are slightly bigger. And actually these 500s they don't fit exactly into this slot here. In the second slot, you can see here it's actually a little bigger, okay, but you can definitely squeeze in because you have these openings at these corners where you see this is so this is here stitched, but when you put your finger in, you can actually reach till the end. So you can squeeze in, but I'm not going to do that. So it's pretty easy to store these big notes here. But what goes here is these small notes, the 50, 10s, 20, probably 200. I don't have a 200 rupees note here to test. So these easily fit in this pouch without any problem. So you can just zip it up. And now let's just put the coins. Couple coins on one side and couple more on the other side. And then we'll see how bulky the wallet becomes. So you can just put these coins like this and then close the zip. The zip quality is fine. Sometimes it's getting stuck here. Probably a couple more times when you use it, it becomes fine. And then you can just lock it. So this is the thickness of the wallet. Okay, so you can just move this a little bit so that the coins are evenly scattered, and it is not very thick. For reference, I'll just keep a phone next to it so that you can come to know what is the thickness of it. So this is a phone. This is OnePlus 2. It's a broken phone. It works, but yeah, just for your reference on the thickness. So most modern phones are of similar size or slightly thinner probably, but if you see the thickness, so it's quite thick, but it will easily fit in your jeans pocket, so that's not a problem. And this is when the wallet is fully loaded. Like you saw, I had a lot of change, I had quite some cash, and all my cards are in there. And yeah, it doesn't come out like this even when you have fully loaded. So you have this locking mechanism here, which is okay. Yeah, so it's pretty good wallet, very good quality leather, and I'm satisfied. So I got it for about 750 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to check it out. If you have any queries, please you can ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys soon, probably with another video. Thank you.